Not right now, I'm sorry, now's not a good time. This sounds like a legitimate response when somebody requests charity from you, because right now maybe things are tight, but you'll give when you can. That's not really the case. One time, a businessman went to the Chassam Sofer and he said, "Rabbi, I need your blessing. My business is starting to take a turn for the worse, and I really need your blessing to get me back on track to be as successful as I was." And the rabbi said, "I've heard. And I also heard that your brother is having it really difficult financially right now, and you haven't even helped him yet." And the businessman was taken aback. He said, "Rabbi, once things get back on track, I'll do what I can to help my brother. Now's just not a good time." And the Chassam Sofer asked him, "When the Jewish people were enslaved in Egypt, Hashem told Moshe, V'gam ani shamati es nakas b'nei Yisrael. I also heard the cries of the Jewish people." What does it mean also? It sounds like first it was heard, and then Hashem said, "I also heard." Who heard first? The Chassam Sofer explained, every Jew heard their brother's cry first. Even though they were going through their own difficulty, they tried to do whatever they can to alleviate the other person's workload, to help them in their time of distress, even though they were going through a tough time themselves. The rabbi now looked at the businessman. You want blessing? You know what to do. It's important that we train ourselves, and it's not easy, to be givers even when we think we're not ready yet. Give what you can, and your brother and your wallet will thank you. Have a great Shabbos.